Hi friends, here we have a nice problem. We have to solve this equation. This equation has x raised to the power 4, right? 12x power 4 minus 56x cubed plus 89x squared minus 56x plus 12 equals 0. If you see, there is some hint here. What is the hint? There is some similarity in this expression. See, there is 12 here, there is 12 here, there is minus 56 here, there is minus 56 here, and there is 89 here. Basically, for this 89, left side and right side, and left side and right side, this expression is actually similar. Let us try to exploit this similarity. How? Let us see, like this. If we divide this entire expression by x square, both left hand side and right hand side, what will this become? This will become 12x square minus 56x, because x cubed by x square is x, and then x square by x square will become 1. So basically we are doing by divided by x square on both sides. X square. So this becomes x power 4 by x square minus 56x plus 89 minus 56 by x plus 12 by x square. Right. Now let us combine this one and this one and this one and this one. Okay. So 12x square plus 12 by x square. That is 12 into x square plus 1 by x square. That is this and this. Next. Similarly, minus 56 into x plus 1 by x, combining this and this. Minus 56 into x plus 1 by x plus 89. Right. Now, x square plus 1 by x square. This is in the form of a square plus b square. What is a? A is x and b is 1 by x. A square plus b square is what? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. We can write it like this, right? A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. That means x square plus 1 by x square is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 by x, which is again equal to 2. Right. So this is what we are doing. X square plus 1 by x square, we are writing it as x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. Right. And x plus 1 by x, let this be as is, plus 89. Now, this expression, right now we have converted this into, into this form, into this form. Okay, if you simplify this slightly, this becomes 12 into x plus 1 by x whole square. 12 into minus 2 is minus 24 plus 89, which becomes plus 65. Okay, and minus 56 into x plus 1 by x. This is the expression. 12 into x plus 1 by x whole square minus 56 into x plus 1 by x plus 65. Now, if you see, this has become a quadratic equation. If you replace x plus 1 by x with some y, then this is equal to 12y square minus 56y plus 65. Right. The equation which was earlier to raise to the power 4, x was raised to the power 4. Now it has become a quadratic equation. That is, we can solve this very easily. 12y square minus 56y plus 65. What is this? The product is 12 into 65. That means 12 into 13 into 5. 13 into 5. What is 12? 12 is 6 times 2. So basically the factor is, we can factorize 12 times 65 as 6 times 2 times 13 times 5. Right, 6 into 5, we combine these two and 2 into 13. That becomes minus 6 5 is 30 and 2 13s 26. 30 plus 26 is minus 56. 30 plus 26 is 56. So we can factorize this as 12y square minus 26y minus 30y. Why we are doing this like this? Because the product of these two, 26 and 30, is equal to product of 12 and 65. Right, we just figured out. And sum of 26 and 30, minus 26 and minus 30 is minus 56. That's why we are splitting 56 in terms of 26 and 30. Very simple algebraic manipulation. Then this one we can write it as, if we take 2 common, this becomes 2y into 6y minus 13. Similarly, if we take 5 common here, this becomes minus 5 into 6y minus minus 13. Right. So this equation will become 6y minus 13 into 2y minus 5. What does that mean? Y equals 13 by 6 or y equals 5 by 2. And what is our y? Y is our x plus 1 by x. That's what we have chosen, right? X plus 1 by x we have replaced with y. So what does that mean? X plus 1 by x is equal to 13 by 6 or x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. If it is 13 by 6, what does that mean? We will simplify this. This becomes x square plus 1 by x is equal to 13 by 6. Right. That means 6x square plus 6 is equal to 13x. That means 6x square minus 13x plus 6 equals 0. We can simplify this and the solutions of this equation, if we simplify this, we can write this as 6x square minus 9x minus 4x. Right, 6 into 6 is 36, 9 into 4 is also 36. What will this become? This becomes 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 3. Right, 6x square minus 9x plus 6. If we take 3 common, 3x into 2x minus 3 minus 2 into 2x minus 3. This equation to simplify. That means 3x minus 2 into 2x minus 3. That means x is either 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. This is one set of solutions. Two solutions. We still need two more. Right. Let's try to solve the other equation. Y equals to 5 by 2. That means x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. What does that mean? This again, x square plus 1 by x is equal to 5 by 2. That means 2x square plus 2 equals 5x. That means 2x square minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. This we can, what is this? For this also we can create the solution very easily. 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals 0. If you simplify this, this becomes x minus 2 into 2x minus 1. So for example, if you take 2x common, 2x into x minus 2, this one become, and this one is minus 1 into x minus 2. So x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 equals 0. That means x equals 2 or 1 by 2. So we have found all the four solutions of x. These are 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 2. Basically, we just explored the similarity in this problem. Right. And in the given problem, in this expression, there's a nice similarity. Right. First one is equal to last one. The coefficient of x power 4 is equal to the coefficient of x power 0. Coefficient of x cube is equal to coefficient of x power 1. And the x square, obviously, there is only 1. We explored the similarity and solved this problem. Hope you like this case. Thank you.